Peace, love, wellness, greatness, and success. It's your boy Monte. You know what it is. You know what I do. You know how it gets down. Let's get right into it, guys. We're dealing with discipline. I want to share with you a story about one of my close friends. We came from the same inner city neighborhood and we took different paths. We actually went to college together. We actually started out in college together. I was unable at that time and not ready to actually attend college. So my mental and emotional state of being wasn't ready for that particular aspect of my life at that particular time. So I ended up dropping out very early into it. I don't believe I stayed longer than a month. He stayed and he ended up becoming a well-established attorney. But as I look back, I see that actually he had developed the discipline that I had lacked coming up, even though we came up together in the similar environment. Part of it was due to, I believe, his mother being a little bit more strict than my mom was. Not blaming my mom at all for what she allowed us to do. It wasn't that we was doing anything super crazy. It's just that he was restricted a whole lot more than most of us were restricted at that time. But it paid off for him because he ended up developing a discipline that allowed him to go to school, to discipline himself, to accomplish what it was that he was seeking to achieve, and he achieved his specific goal. This is why discipline is absolutely necessary in order for us to reach the next level in our life, in order for us to be able to go from one state to another state and to an even higher state of the things it is that we want to do. But every day we are bombarded with things that are challenging our discipline, that is chipping away at the discipline that is required for us to achieve amazing things. This is why we must always try to develop the consistency. Discipline takes consistency. Many of us do not have the consistency in order to develop the discipline. We may start out on a path and we allow other things to come into our journey and take us off the path. This happens. Life happens. But the discipline that is required to achieve the highest state of existence that you and I can achieve within ourselves, that takes us on our unique journey of fulfillment that we love to do, that we are great at doing, requires the development of discipline. And if we refuse to settle ourselves down and refuse to go through the pain, the mental and emotional pain that is required to establish discipline, then we will never achieve that which we are destined to achieve. We can achieve great things. We have the ability to do whatever it is that we can conjure up in our mind that is in tune and in line with nature, that we can accomplish these things if we develop the discipline, develop the strategies, and develop the staying power that is required for us to finish the journey that we are on. It takes time to develop the discipline and the habitual practicing that is necessary to achieve what it is that we are trying to achieve. You and I can never achieve these things, once again, if we do not develop the habitual practice of that which it is that we are attempting to achieve, and take tools from certain outline areas and combine them into the journey that we are on. This is a journey. The journey to reach the potential that you and I have, the greatest and the highest expression of our being, and accomplishing those things that we wish to accomplish, that allows us to live a more easier, more in tune life with nature. This is what it is that we need to focus on. This is what it is that we have to do in order to achieve that which we seek to do. Discipline is required. tools, techniques, and strategies are required. Again, if you suffer or you need guidance in how to develop discipline and how to achieve what it is that you want to achieve, coaching would be a great thing that you can invest in. We must learn to invest in ourselves. It takes money sometimes in order to achieve what it is that we are seeking to achieve that we have not been able to achieve on our own. Again, I have coaching programs centered around a whole lot of different things. Discipline and the development of discipline is one of those things, but you'll learn way more than just the development of discipline. It will go along to help you in many, many other areas in your life. It is something that we all need. Again, if you want or are interested in the coaching, I leave links to the outline of my coaching program, as well as I have a great Melt the Belly Fat workshop coming up on August the 29th at 10 a.m. Eastern. You guys who are dealing with the belly fat, again, this is something that is detrimental to the health. And I figured out a strategy that has allowed me to significantly reduce my belly fat and has led me to a healthier state in my life, a healthier state of being, because I've chosen to do those things that are necessary to remove the belly fat. I want to share with you that great information. And again, we cannot afford not to take care of our health. It goes a long way in determining how happy and how fulfilled the life is. And those who love us are counting on us to be 100% so we can enjoy our lives and enjoy our time and life with them as well. Peace.